I have lived in Guatemala for almost 10 years, and there are still some fruits and vegetables that I have absolutely no idea what they are, how you use them, what they taste like, or anything like that. So today, for my Spanish class with my wonderful Spanish teacher, we are going to the market and we are going fruit and vegetable shopping, and I want you to come along. So let's go. Ah, amiga. Okay. Hey, so we are back. I am back home now after the market. It was a fun trip in the market. We were probably there for like almost 2 hours, and you can see that she showed me a bunch of different things. So I'm going to show you what I bought at the market today. So, oh, my cat's already in there. So These are limons, and they are from Chichicastenango, which is a town about an hour and a half away from here. And my Spanish teacher said that these have a very, very unique and wonderful flavor. So they were 4 of these for 5 quetzales. I bought 4. This is a sapote, which is one of my favorite fruits here. These are 10 quetzales per one. Well, now they are, because it's big, so it's a little bit more expensive. I'm going to cut that for you in a second. And these, I absolutely forgot what they're called. But we're gonna, so I'm gonna put my phone on a tripod when there's little Miss Gracie, and I'm gonna cut into this and figure out what's inside of that. And I'm gonna cut into this to show you, please excuse my cat's butt, to show you what that looks like. And I bought a tamarindo drink, a cold drink, and it is so stinking delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. So I've already gone ahead and washed it. I wash all my fruits before I eat them. And I don't know, I don't know if we're going to peel it. I'm not exactly sure if you're supposed to peel it. Oh, it smells heavenly. I can't really describe the flavor. It's very, very, very juicy. Honestly, I'm not so sure I like them very much. This was a little bit of a bigger one, so I'm going to try, here's a tinier one, so I'm going to cut this guy and see what this one is like. So let me put this down. This one maybe, oh, it's a little bit harder. Oh, maybe this one isn't quite as ripe. It's a little bit, it's a little bit harder, not as juicy. But let's see what this one is like. So this one actually tastes a little better. It isn't as juicy, I think I already said that, but it has a little bit of a nicer, a softer flavor, if you will. I'm probably peeling this wrong. Oh, and there's, I think, there's green stuff in the middle. I don't know what that is. I don't know if you're not supposed to eat that or what the hell, so we're not going to eat that green stuff because Eva doesn't need to be sick. So the green one was definitely better than the other one. So I'm going to wash this little baby up. And the sapote is probably, see, you don't need to see me, it's probably one of my favorite fruit. Hopefully, cross our fingers, that this has the color it's supposed to have. Because, let's hope that it's a, it does. So not as bright, but it's orange inside. Not as bright orange as some of them I've seen. And it has, and you have to be careful with these because I have, in the past, I have bought a couple of these and there were maggots, bugs inside because they get in through the skin. So this has, there's none. This has the consistency of avocado. And it tastes like heaven. I can't describe the tastes. It's like a pistachio, but a sweetness. It's got a pistachio nutty flavor, but the sweetness of, it's got the sweetness of, I can't describe it. And so this is what the nut looks like. It's a big honkin' nut, and you just toss that, and then you eat. So I usually, when I buy these, because they're so big, I'll usually eat half and then put the other half in the fridge. And hang on, oh shit, flip that up. Oh, I just lost my tripod. And then eat the other half another day. Hey there, so I went back to the market today because it's Sunday. So our market days here are Thursday and Sunday, but the Thursday, was it Thursday or Tuesday? The Thursday market was kind of small. So I went back today and I picked up an Anona, and I'm going to wash it and cut it, and we're going to try and see what this puppy tastes like. So I'm pretty sure Guatemalans don't cut don't cut their fruit. So it's white inside. I can see there's some seeds, and I think I'm just going to literally peel it apart like that. So it's a very mild, and I don't even know if this is a good one, if it's okay, but it's a very mild, slight tangy citrusy flavor. I like this fruit. I'm going to give this, the little Anona, I'm going to give this little puppy 5 stars. I really like this one. That was our market trip. There wasn't as many different fruits because they're all very seasonal, right? So there was a few fruits and vegetables that weren't in the market today, and we'll have more market trips further on down the line, down the road, where I can try out some of the other more interesting fruits and vegetables. So, all right, hang on a second, I'm gonna turn this over. I hope you enjoyed this little market trip here in Panajachel on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Let me know if you want to see more travel videos or videos about Panajachel and my life here in Guatemala. I'm more than happy to create more videos for you about that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all back here on the next video. I do upload every Sunday, and I do random shorts throughout the week. So that's all I got for you. See you later. Bye. I love you.